I am out here with this most ingenious bird feeder. It has a camera that records all the birds that come up to it, and it connects to your phone and gives you information about all the birds that land on the bird feeder. The other cool thing is that it has a solar panel that keeps the camera charged. When it gives you the information about the birds, it can also make a recording, and you can hear the bird song as well. This is indeed a very smart bird feeder. It comes with all the mounting equipment, but in my case I decided to hang it for now. Looking forward to seeing the birds on my phone.